Now we will see how to use transform tool. Transform features to a new location using displacement vector. For that, let's create a shape. Create feature. Polygon layer, and we will use the freehand tool. Now let's copy this and paste. Okay, let's move this one. Move. And scale this down. Suppose the smaller shape should match with the bigger one. In this case, we can use the transform tool. Let's select the transform tool. Select the polygon. Click on add new links. And you should link this point with this point. The corresponding points should be added, and this one should be this one, and click on OK. Now click on modify features, and if we press transform, this polygon will match with this one. A small polygon is resized and matched with the bigger polygons, but there are some issues. It happens due to our distortions in point selection. Now let's save this. Save our edits.